How to verify Bybit account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to get started, simply log into your newly created Bybit account and you will be able to find information or prompts just like this one prompting you to verify now. It will appear in anything that you're going to do, even in your profile over here. It will appear as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on verify now option, and these are the following verification steps. So the first one is proof of identity and then identity assessment. So you're just basically going to submit a copy of your identity verification document and then a selfie. So if you click on verify now, you should then be able to select your specific country over here because each country would have a different document type. But for my country, as you can see, I have Philippines. So I have the following options. I have ID card, passport, driver's license, and residential permit. So one of the requirement is it has to be a government issued ID. So select the one that you prefer, for example, driver's license, click on confirm, and then it's going to ask you to allow it to take pictures. So you're basically going to take a picture of your item or your driver's license, and then you're going to have to do a selfie. After doing that, you will then be able to just wait a few minutes, and you should then be able to utilize our Bybit by then. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.